Well, FADs have really changed the landscape of tuna harvesting. FAD is an acronym that means Fish Aggregating Device. And it essentially is a floating object that attracts fish. And as fish attract and aggregate, they attract more fish, and it's exponential. And in fact, fish that would have been roaming across hundreds of square miles become grouped up underneath this floating device, and that allows the fisherman to go to his floating device, encircle it, and take that harvest. In the old days, fishermen would use a device called the binoculars, and they would spot tuna masses or schools with binoculars, go there and then wrap those schools. Then they employed spotting planes out of San Diego. They would go off and they'd spot a school, and they'd radio the boat to go to that school. Later, vessels became large enough that they could actually pack their own helicopter aboard. And so they packed this helicopter with them, and they go find these schools of fish. Now, I have no trouble whatsoever with using those devices to find schools of mature fish, because schools tend to swim in schools of the same size class. But there becomes a problem when a floating device attracts everything that's swimming in the ocean.